Hi guys, it's Bonnie, and welcome to what is basically the alter ego of Will It Scratch, Will It Burn? And for the first episode of this series, we are going to be burning a Polaroid camera, yep. This is probably gonna go horribly, but do I care? Absolutely not. Okay, you may notice that the bottom part of the front is missing. That is because that bit contains the lithium-ion battery. And do I feel like dying from an explosion today, or any other day for that matter? No. I do not want to recreate 9/11 over here. And here is the final result after you burn a Polaroid camera. It's actually less like squishy than I thought it was going to be. Less goopy. It's just basically a hardened mass with some charcoal on it though. That's about it. Thank you guys so much for watching the first installment to the new series, Will It Burn? Yes, indeed that Polaroid camera burnt with a little bit of help of lighter fluid, extra kindling, yeah, all that good stuff. But thank you guys again for watching, and more videos will be on the way soon. Goodbye, guys.